Okay, now, okay, all right. So we were in the pattern of ER ending verb, right? Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why? Is it clear to you, mademoiselle? Tanya?
Yes.
Why? Uh-huh. Now, now répétez après moi. Gagner. Gagner is my
Mm-hmm.
verb to win. Say Claire.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear to
Yeah.
you? Now répétez
Yeah.
après moi. Garder. Garder is my verb
Got
to
it.
keep. Répétez après
Mm-hmm.
moi. Garder. Garder is my verb to keep. Goûter. Goûter. Goûter is my verb to taste. Now, mademoiselle, these are the very, very important verbs
Mm-hmm.
in order to speak the language out.
Okay.
These verbs will play a vital role. Say Claire. Now, for example, we have verb habiter. Répétez après moi, habiter. Habiter is my verb to live. Répétez après moi, mademoiselle, habiter. C'est clair.
Okay.
Donc, comment on peut conjuguer le verbe? How we can conjugate the verb? So,
Mm-hmm.
répétez après moi, j'habite. Répétez après moi, j'habite. Tu habites. So, is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes.
Tell me yes or no, please. Mademoiselle,
So,
clear to you?
yes, it is clear. Nous habitons. Next one.
Yes, very good. Nous habitons, c'est très bien. Nous habitons, clair?
Yeah. Vous habitez.
C'est très bien. D'accord, ouais, c'est très bien. And elle
And
habite,
habit. Mm.
elle habite. C'est clair? Now you can conjugate these verbs with the help of these er ending verb. Now répétez après moi, jouer. Jouer is my verb to play. C'est clair? Why?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Laver. Laver is my verb to wash. C'est clair? Okay. Montrer. Montrer is my verb to show. To
Mm-hmm.
show. Répétez après moi. Montrer. These are the very important verbs. Oublier. Répétez après moi. Oublier. Oublier is my verb to forget. Oublier. Répétez après moi. Oublier. Repeat it please. Oublier.
Oublié.
Oublier is my verb to forget. C'est clair? Why?
Mm-hmm.
Parler. Parler is my verb to speak. Parler is my verb to speak. Penser. Penser is my verb to think. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Why? Now répétez après moi. Porter. Porter is my verb to wear and to carry. Porter. Répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. Repeat it please. Porter.
Okay.
Porter is my verb to wear and to carry. Say Claire. Why? Présenter. Présenter. Présenter is my verb to introduce. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no, mademoiselle. Prêter. हाँ हाँ. Oui, Summer.
Mm,
Summer, you have any doubt? Vous avez le do? Have you any doubt?
no, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Prêter. Prêter is to lend.
I have
Rep.
a question.
हाँ हाँ.
Have you done this before in the class, or it's just the first time, like you're doing it?
Are you feeling like
What
that
is
this
it?
is heavy?
Mhm.
No, no, no. I'm just asking that, like, because the other person he's not even responding, and you are not even asking to him that how is it's
Because,
going, or he
yeah,
understand.
because he already has attending 3 lectures. Why?
Okay.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Because Summer has already attended 3 lectures because he was in the
Okay.
evening shift earlier.
Okay.
Hey, Claire. So now I don't know evening or morning, but already I think someone you
I'm
attended
here, sir. Yeah, I'm listening, sir. I'm here.
right?
I
So
just
that's fine. So
unmuted. That's why.
he's
Yeah.
just brushing up, and in the next 2 3 days when we'll make the grip, then
Yeah, yeah,
every
yeah.
doubt.
Okay, I
That's
understand.
why I'm asking to you again and again because it is clear to you. Because
Yeah,
someone
yeah,
has
yeah.
already done 2 lectures, I think, with me. C'est clair, d'accord?
Yes,
Perfect.
sir. Mhm.
So, vous comprenez, mademoiselle? You understand
Oui,
the
j'ai
entire concept? Why?
oui.
Is it clear to you, Tanya?
Yes, 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 it's clear.
So, someone who comprende? Why?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Regarder. Regarder is to watch. Claire? Regarder. Claire? Rencontrer. Rencontrer is to meet. Whenever you're meeting with a person, so that we call as rencontrer. C'est clair. Why?
Wait,
Raste is to rest. Rêver. Rêver is to dream. It's my full verb to dream. Rêver. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Répétez
yes,
après moi. Rêver. Rêver is my
maybe.
full verb to. Is it clear to you? Why? Is it clear to you? Now we have a next verb because these are the verbs which you can do practice for this. Glad. Let me save the previous recording. Please be with me. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. Let me save the previous recording. 1 second. Okay. C'est très bien. That's good. Why? So we have saluer. Saluer is to greet. Salutation. Saluer is to greet. Say Claire. Why?
Yeah.
Sauter.
Excuse me. Hello, sir. Yeah. Just I'm just back in 2 3 minutes. Like someone came outside, so just 2 minutes, sir. I'm coming.
Okay. Pas the problem. Pas the
Okay.
problem.
Thank you, sir.
Why? Saute. Saute is to jump. Say Claire.
So,
Saute is to
mm,
jump.
mhm.
Somble. You will say I seem that, you seem that. Somble is to seem.
Okay.
To seem, I
Some.
seem that. Ski is to
Mhm.
ski. Ski karna. You skiing in the ski. Okay. Telephone is to telephone. So basically, mademoiselle, now what you have to do is choose 4 verbs.
Mhm.
Choose any 4 verbs, okay, to yourself and
Mhm.
write down the conjugation with present tense and send it back to me on the WhatsApp.
Okay.
Your time start now.
Okay.
Choose any 4 verb, okay, any 4 verb. And if you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Choose any 4 verb. Claire,
Okay.
vous comprenez, mademoiselle?
Oui, je comprends.
C'est ça. So you understand the entire concept, mademoiselle? Okay.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And I believe the session is not feeling very heavy for you because we have done the work. Obviously, every demo, the still
Yeah.
is. If you feel like the session is getting heavy, you can tell me. Clear?
Okay, perfect.
Because we have done a lot of year-ending verbs, so it is just uh, and don't worry because the entire session is under recording, and you will get the recording end of the session, so that you can listen those recordings again and again. Right? You can jot down the verb pattern. Say Claire. Why? Because first we have to understand about the concept of the verb, like what are the ear-ending verb, right? Like we have done.
Like to clear the B1 level, mm, how hard it is to clear the test. As you know that we have to clear the TAF test later on.
Uh-huh. Because obviously, see, if you want to speak the language, right, and if you do not have verbs, so it means I cannot speak the language. So for this reason, in intensive course, first we conjugate the verb, like we conjugate the verb in present, past, future, past continuous. Then we'll go for a conjugation so that you can at least speak the language out. So in order to clear your B1 pattern, so these verbs play a vital role. Say Claire, because we have a conjugation. That was your question you want to ask,
Yeah.
right?
And like, is it really much difficult? Or
It is mandate, yes. Now, for example, you want to use, now, for example, you have a topic, any topic, and you will say, I want to utilize this, but I don't think of why people are using this up. I want, that's a verb, right? To
mm,
utilize, to usage, that's a verb, right? I don't know, no, I know, that's a verb, right? People are using, that's a verb. Say Claire. So for this reason, we are using the verb content first. Say Claire, mademoiselle.
who is it clear?
Because if you will come to know how to conjugate first present tense, past tense, and this is an intensive session, right? So for this reason,
Yeah,
we have done a lot of verbs wherein you will do practice at your house. Say Claire.
yeah, clear.
Akur, why?
Mm.
One second. C'est très bien, mademoiselle. C'est très bien. Why? Claire. Now, so far we have done er ending verb. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Claire.
Yeah.
Now,
Mm.
now I will explain to you what is my er ending verb.
Okay.
Some are you there? Some are you there? Okay, all right. Paragraph. So now I will explain to you what is my er ending verb. Now, for example, Tanya, we have a verb like choiser. So oi sound is wa in French. Oi sound is wa in French. Clear? So we have choisir. Repte après moi. Choisir. Choisir is to choose. C'est clair. C'est clair, Tanya? Why? Okay. So now, what is my? What is the formula of my I are ending verb? So repte après moi. The formula of my the verb is ending from ir, not from er. The verb is ending from ir. Your formula of is, it. Tanya, you there? Tanya, you there? Tanya, you
Hello.
there?
On my side or yours?
Mine is fine, I think.
Okay. Because it just was reconnecting and the page got lost.
Okay, now is it fine? The voice is audible to you?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So now, so we have formula of I are ending verb. right? Because obviously, Evidamo, we have endings in French, right? The verb is ending
Yeah.
from er, the verb is ending from ir now, right? So what is the formula of ir ending verb? The formula of ir ending verb is is, isit, issons, rep क्या प्रम हुआ, issez, and issent. Now, yes, yes, this is the base of the French language. In order to clear, to touch your B1 level, you have to clear your base first in grammar. Say Claire. Why? So, Mademoiselle Tanya, repeat after me. What is the formula of IR ending verb? Now repeat after me. IS, ISIT. Repeat it, please.
ISISIT
ISSONS. Repeat after
ONS
me. ISSONS.
ISSONS
ISSEZ and
ISSEZ
ISSENT. Say Claire.
ISSENT.
Now what you will do? It means you will eliminate IR, right? And you will pen down CHOIS and then ending IS. Clear? Is it clear to
Yeah.
you? Now repeat
Yes.
after me. Je choisis, répétez après moi. Je choisis,
Shwazi.
tu choisis, répétez après moi. Tu
Shwazi.
choisis, mhm.
Shwazi.
Elle choisit.
El Shwazi.
What is this? IS, oh sorry, pardon. IS, IT. It means I have I have taken CHOIS and insert ISISIT, then ISSONS, ISSEZ, and ISSENT. Say Claire. So repte apne moi, it is very important, mademoiselle, very, very important. The formula of IR ending verb in French. Repte apne moi. ISISIT. Repeat after me, please. ISIT,
ISIT.
ISSONS,
ISSONS.
ISSEZ,
ISSEZ.
and ISSENT. Say Claire.
ISSENT.
Repte après moi. Je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, elles choisissent. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yeah, Claire.
Why? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I will give you now load of I ending verb. Claire. Now, par exemple, mademoiselle, we have verb accomplir. Répétez après moi. Accomplir. Répétez après moi,
Accompli.
s'il vous plaît. Accomplir. So
Accompli.
accomplish is a verb to accomplish. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear? Now,
Yes.
now, as we explained to you, what is the formula of I ending verb, mademoiselle? Tell me.
Um.
I S, I S,
Accompli.
I T,
I. I.
Claire.
S. I.
Why? ISSONS, ISSEZ, and
I. S.
ISSENT. So what you will do? You have to eliminate IR from the end. Claire. Why? And you left with words ACCOMPL, and it is just you have to insert a formula of ISISIT, ISSONS. Can you do that, mademoiselle? Why?
Yeah.
Can you do that? Why?
Mm.
Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes. Yes. It's clear.
Now I will give you a lot of verbs in terms of your, because these are the verbs which will increase your oral, your speaking portion, your oral. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now
It's clear.
let's repeat it out. Like we have done now. Mademoiselle, why I'm giving you a lot of verbs? Because I want you to listen the recording, okay?
Mm.
And you can practice those verbs. in a very beginner stage, very initial stage, if you can able to pick those verbs, it means you will get a hold in the language. C'est clair? En prise à votre langue française, hold in the language. C'est clair? Why? Now répétez après moi. Abolir. Répétez après moi. Abolir is to abolish.
Abolish.
Accomplir is to accomplish. Very important verbs. Okay.
Okay.
Agir is to act, which act as agir. Répétez après moi. Agir. Clair? Agir is to act. C'est clair? Why?
Yes.
Agrandir. Agrandir is to enlarge and to increase. Agrandir. Répétez après moi, mademoiselle. Agrandir. Agrandir is to enlarge and to increase. C'est clair? Why? Avertir. Mademoiselle. Avertir is to warn. Avertir is to warn.
Wow.
C'est
Okay.
clair? Bâtir. Bâtir is to build. C'est clair? Why?
Okay. Right.
Is it clear to you? Bénir. Bénir is to bless. Répétez après moi. Bénir. Bénir is to bless. Blanchir. Blanchir is to lighten and to whiten, to lighten. Blanchir. Choisir. Choisir is to choose. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Yeah.
Now, convert. If I ask you convert agrandir verb, so how you'll how to conjugate agrandir verb? Tell me how to conjugate agrandir verb. So what you will do? You have
Eliminate IR first,
Mhm.
and then use IS, ISIT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT,
C'est clair?
and
C'est
and
très
with the subjects also I need to do.
what?
With the subjects also I need to tell you.
Yes. Tell me with the subject also. Yes.
Okay, so it's J
Yeah,
Jagran.
agrandir exactement. C'est
There
très
will be apostrophe
bien. C'est très bien.
to agrandi,
C'est très bien.
L or L agrandi,
C'est très bien.
nous, nous,
Nous agrandissons. Nous
nous agrandissons.
agrandissons. Claire. Ouais.
Oui,
Vous
vous
agrandissez.
agrandissez.
C'est clair. And
Yeah,
elles agrandissent. C'est clair.
clair.
Why?
Okay.
Is it clear to you? Now,
Yes.
have you penned down these verbs? Did you
Yeah.
write it down? Why? Made up this?
Okay, I need to write all of these.
No, that's fine. The session here, the recording, so you can get a recording and you can see the recording. That's not a problem. You will get the link of this recording. Why? Okay.
It's okay.
C'est
Yeah.
clair? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, mademoiselle, I just want to explain to you some phonetics also again. You know what? In French, we have four type of E. Basically, in French, Swan, you there? Okay. Okay. So in French, basically, we have four type of E. Claire, c'est clair, mademoiselle? My E, whenever we don't have accent, mademoiselle, simple E, the sound is a. C'est clair? The sound is a. Repeat after me.
Okay. Uh,
C'est clair? So whenever we have a simple E and we do not have accent, right?
mm-hmm.
That sound is a. C'est clair? Why?
Okay.
Now, for example, if we have a E, okay, and we have an accent like bottom to top, it is going towards right hand side. Is it clear to you? Whenever we have a E from bottom to top, it is going towards right hand side. That sound is A in French, mademoiselle. The sound is A.
A.
C'est
Okay.
clair. C'est clair, mademoiselle. So,
It's clear.
whenever we have an accent from bottom to top, it is going towards right hand side. The sound is A in French. C'est clair. Why?
Wait.
Now, if we have E, Claire, from bottom to top, but it is going towards left hand side. Say Claire, from bottom to top, it is going towards left hand side. The sound is A. Repte après moi. A.
A.
Exactement. A. Say Claire. Why?
A.
So now we have E. The sound is A. Claire. We have E. From bottom to top towards right hand side, the sound is A. Bottom to top, the sound is going towards left hand side. The sound is A. Say Claire. Why?
A.
And then we have next E. If we have a hat, chapeau, like
Mm-hmm.
this, the sound is A. Stretch hoga. A. Say Claire.
A.
Why?
Mm.
Now repeat it please. So we have four type of E in French, mademoiselle. Say Claire. Is it clear to
Yeah,
you?
clear. Yes.
Now I will explain to you. For example, we have word like this. Claire. Now
Mm-hmm.
we have a accent from bottom to top, right hand side. Claire. So that sound is
Mm-hmm.
A. So how to pronounce this? Étudier. Répétez après moi. Étudier.
A2DA.
Claire.
Okay.
Étudier is to study. Literally meaning of étudier is to study. C'est clair, mademoiselle. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So now what we have done so far? So far we have done ER ending verb formula and IR ending verb formula. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Why?
Yeah, it's clear.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Why? So mademoiselle, I'm going to give you a lot of IR ending verb in which your task is whatever we have done a lot of ER ending verb which I explained to you. You can conjugate those verb and you can do the practice. That how your language you can, because we need your initiative also, right? So I'm going to give you a lot of verb which is very important. My vocab is nuzir, very important verb of tofaq, nurir. Nurir is my verb to nourish and to feed.
Okay.
Nurir is my verb to nourish. Say glad. Now we have verb is finir. Very important verb, mademoiselle. Finir.
Mm-hmm.
Finir is my verb to finish. Like if I ask to you, conjugate finir verb. So how you will conjugate finir verb? So you can remove EIR
Yeah.
and you will set a formula of IS, ISIT, Y,
SON.
ISSINS, ISEZ,
That.
and ISSENT. Say
Yeah.
clear. Why?
Mm.
Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes. Yes.
Mademoiselle, session heavy तो नहीं हो रहा आपके लिए? Is it fine?
नहीं नहीं अच्छा है.
Okay, that's fine. Now, now, these are something like a very important ironing verb. Now, for example, you will
Mm.
say establish,
Mm.
define, convert, say clear, choose. So these are the very important verbs which we'll use in your tafak. Whenever we'll pick the portion of tafak, we will use these type of vocabularies.
Mm.
Fazir is to choose. Convertir is to convert. Definir, very important verb to define. You know, if you say, I define like this, definir. Say clair. Établir is to establish. C'est clair? Why? And if I asked you conjugate definite verb, so how you will conjugate definite verb, mademoiselle? Tell me.
Definitely. Um, IR.
Very good.
Def,
Uh-huh.
defini. To defini with IS.
Uh-huh.
Il defini with IT.
Uh-huh.
Nous définissons. Uh, vous définissez.
Very good. Very good.
Elle définisse.
C'est très bien. C'est très bien. Now répétez après moi. Obéir. Répétez après moi. Obéir is my verb to obey. Obéir. Punir.
Obéir.
Punir is my verb to punish. Réfléchir is my verb to reflect and to think. You know, réfléchir. Very important verb. Réfléchir. We have a sound. A sound, right? Réfléchir. To reflect and to think. Remplir is to fill. Clair. And réussir is my verb to success. To succeed. Réussir. C'est clair. Now, if I ask to you, mademoiselle, comment, how on peut conjuguer le verbe réussir? How we can conjugate the verb réussir? Now, what you will do now? Conjugate réussir verb.
Réussi. Réussi. With
Very
the
good.
I.
Very good.
Réussi.
Uh-huh.
With I.
Uh-huh.
Réussi with ID.
Uh-huh.
Réussissons.
Uh-huh.
Réussissez.
Uh-huh.
Réussissons.
Very good. Very good. Réussis, réussissons, réussissez, and réussis. C'est très bien. Clair? Now, mademoiselle, very important to understand. Like so far we have done the formulas of French language. Like we have er ending verb, we have done I ending verb, right? But mademoiselle, we have some verbs. We have 14, 15 verbs wherein we do not have formula. We do not have formula. We have to learn those verbs by heart. Like, for example, we have done choisir, you know, ironing verb, we can make a formula. But, mademoiselle, in French language, we have something like 14, 15 verbs, wherein those verbs you have to learn by heart. You have to understand by heart. Say Claire, why? Say Bo.
Okay.
Now,
C'est
my
ça.
first verb is être. Say Claire.
Être.
My être is very important verb, which is to be. It belongs from is MR verb. Say Claire. That
Okay.
belongs from is MR. Say Claire. Okay. Why? Now répétez après moi. Être
Être.
is my verb to be and is MR. But mademoiselle, if I want to conjugate être verb with I am, you are, he, she is, my entire conjugation will get changed. Répétez après moi. Je suis. Repeat after me. It is just you have to repeat after me. Je suis.
Je suis.
Et il, elle est. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Nous sommes. Vous êtes.
Vous êtes.
Ils, elles sont. C'est clair. Now repeat
And
after me, mademoiselle. Je suis is to I am. Tu es is to you are. Il, elle est is to he, she is. Nous sommes is to we are. Claire. Vous êtes is to you are. Formal. And ils, elles sont. C'est clair. Ils, elles sont is to they are. C'est clair. Now répétez après moi, mademoiselle. Je suis, tu es, il, elle est, Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. C'est clair. Why? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Is it clear to you? Now, répétez après moi.
Yes.
So, être is my verb to is am are. Clair? So, je suis, tu es, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. C'est clair? Why? Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, it's
Now,
clear.
repeat it, please. Repeat être verb se look like. Repeat it, please.
Je suis, tu es, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous, ils, elles sont.
C'est très bien. Ils, elles sont. Clair? C'est très bien. Now we have verb avoir. Répétez après moi, mademoiselle. Avoir is my verb to has have. Because we are doing the exceptional verb, wherein we have to understand the verb by heart. C'est clair? Now répétez après moi. J'ai, tu as. Répétez après moi. Il,
Tu as,
elle a. Répétez après
il,
moi.
elles ont,
Nous avons. Repeat it please.
nous avons,
Vous avez.
vous
Claire.
avez,
And ils, elles ont. C'est clair.
il, elles ont.
Now répétez après moi. J'ai, tu
J'ai,
as,
tu as,
il, elle a,
il, elles ont,
nous avons,
nous
vous
avons,
avez,
nous avons,
ils, elles ont. Répétez après
il,
moi.
elles
J'ai
ont.
is I have, mademoiselle. Tu as is to you have, Claire. Il, elle a is to he, she has, Claire. Nous avons is to we have, Claire. Vous avez is to you have, Claire. And ils, elles ont is to they have. Tell me yes and no. Why?
Yeah, fine.
Claire? Now repeat it please. J'ai, tu as,
J'ai, tu
tu
as, il, elles a,
as,
nous avons,
vous avez,
vous avez,
ils,
il,
elles ont.
elles ont.
C'est clair? C'est bon? Why?
C'est ça.
Clear to you? Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Now, mademoiselle, we have a verb, aller. Very important verb, aller. Aller is my verb to go. Now you will say, okay, this is my year-ending verb, and I will make a formula of E, E-S-E, O-N-S, E-Z-E-N-T. No, we cannot conjugate aller with the same formula because aller is my exceptional verb. C'est clair. Why? So répétez après moi. Je vais. Répétez après
Je vais,
moi. Tu vas.
toi,
Il, elle va. C'est clair. Nous allons. C'est clair. Why? Vous allez. C'est clair. And ils, elles vont. C'est clair. So je vais is to I go. Répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. Je vais is to I go. So basically, my full verb is aller. The moment I will conjugate aller verb, so I will say je vais, tu vas. Repeat it, please. Repeat it,
je
please.
vais,
Uh-huh.
tu vas, il, elle va, nous
Right.
allons, vous
Uh-huh.
allez,
Uh-huh.
il, elles,
Ils, elles vont. C'est très bien.
il,
D'accord. Now repeat after me. We have verb savoir, mademoiselle.
savoir,
Savoir.